Right, this is a before Hurricane Michael video. Here we have some neighbors with dogs. The yard's not too bad. There's even a couple of branches down already. Slightest wind will bring twigs down in this backyard. The roof's fairly clear. The wind thing's spinning. This tree had to be trimmed this year and it's got some new growth on it. That's the camera looking back. You see the little green old iPhone that I'm using to stream live onto Facebook. The roof's not too bad right now. With all these trees, of course. And it's some of the clouds back there. Hard to film in the late afternoon sunshine. We'll have a quick trip around the front. The neighbour already has a couple of twigs on her roof. Try to hide the trash. You don't really want to see all the trash. Have our jungle growing down here. Chris is not too happy about it, but I'd like to see her come out here in the Florida heat and humidity and clean it up herself. Alright, well, the recyclable people took out our recyclables this week. 1 week they did not take them. They pat over the way. That's the northeast. That's towards Georgia, where the hurricane will be passing through. Probably making its closest approach to us. We are going to be on the bad east side. And we could get some tornadoes. Currently, the forecast is for 10 to 20 miles an hour winds with gusts to 30. My wife's school is not closed currently, despite the fact that a major hurricane is going to be hitting Panama City tomorrow during the day, apparently. As you can see, we have all these trees above, and we also have nice pumpkins set up, and we have a spider. Some lights which aren't on yet, but right now relatively calm.